First, open your web browser and navigate to the homepage of our website, www.SynergisticIT.com. Look for the menu. Hover your mouse over the Our Services section in the menu. From the drop-down that appears, find and hover over the Technology Upskill program. You'll notice two available tracks, Java track and AI or Data Science track. Click on AI or Data Science track to proceed. The Data Science track is perfect for professionals wanting to advance their skills in data science. Our Data Science track covers cutting-edge technologies and provides data science training, machine learning training, Python training, and AWS training. Under our Data Science track we cover essential concepts like Python, data visualization, AI, data manipulation, etc. Once you get upskilled in the Data Science track of SynergisticIT, you can explore various rewarding career paths and lucrative salaries varying from $85K to $150K per annum. There are many career prospects after enrolling in our Data Science track, such as Data Scientist, Python Developer, Data Analyst, BI Engineer, AWS Developer, Algorithm Engineer, Machine Learning Engineer, and more.